Welcome to the coffee farm. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating journey of how Nescafé coffee is made.
Bring it back slowly now.
Okay, hold it right there. Now drop it down, easy. Morning. Let's see the bill of lading, please. Coffee cherries for Nescafé. All correct. Go ahead.
The freshly picked cherries are delivered directly into these stainless steel receiving hoppers before moving on to fermentation.
Here we see the red and green cherries moving up the stainless steel belt towards the next stage of processing.
This high-speed industrial air blower uses powerful jets of air to separate the light debris, like leaves and stems, from the heavier cherries.
The pulping machine rotates steadily, cleanly squeezing the red outer skins away from the valuable.
This is the wet parchment coming straight from the pulpers. We're inspecting the mucilage layer before it moves on to the drying stage.
As you can see, the beans are actively fermenting. We stir them periodically to maintain the ideal temperature and consistency.
This meticulous process ensures that every parchment bean dries uniformly on the raised beds, a critical step for quality. The workers use long wooden rakes to turn the parchment coffee beans, ensuring even exposure to the sun.
Here we see the freshly hulled beans entering the vibrating separator. This ensures a uniform bean size, critical for the next stage.
Advanced inventory systems allow us to monitor the exact location and status of each bulk bag.
It all starts with the careful loading of the green beans into our industrial drum roaster, preparing for the perfect roast cycle.
Sample looks consistent with the chart. Yes, the uniformity is perfect.
The dark coffee extract flows through this sanitary pipe before moving on to the drying process. A sample is collected for quality control.
Here we see the feed tank in operation. The operator is collecting a sample to ensure the viscosity meets our quality standards before it proceeds to the dryer.
Here we see the technician checking the critical pressure gauge readings on the high-pressure pump before making fine adjustments to the control panel.
an eye on the humidity reading. It's stable right at the target, 65%.
Here we see the final stage of drying. The fluid bed ensures consistent moisture removal before packaging.
This high-speed rotary filler ensures accurate dosing, utilizing vibrator flow for even distribution of the Nescafé granules.
Keep coming, easy now. That's good, hold it right there. Pull that tight on your side.
Got it. Make sure the tension is even.